Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's topic is how to get stuff done. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So I remember years and years ago, I used to be a big talker. I used to talk a lot about what I'm going to do. And I remember one day, this guy, a good friend of mine, said, just shut the F up and just do it. And I started doing it and I started implementing. And guys, there are a ton of great ideas out there in the world. There are ideas that you'll be getting every single day, but it doesn't mean anything unless you do it, unless you implement it or take action on it. So, I've also got friends right now who are like, we're going to do this with the company. We're going to start doing this product, and we're going to import this, and we're going to launch it here, and we're going to get traffic here. And I'm like, great. And a few months later, I would check in and see how they're doing, and they haven't done anything. So, guys, do stuff, implement it, take action, do something, because otherwise it means diddly squat. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.